Squidward? I'm happy that we went bird watching together. It's pretty fun. SpongeBob, we never even went bird watching. We don't even have any binoculars. Oh well, gotta go find some now. Bye. Found some. What? How'd you find some so fast? From over there. See? I found it from here. Hey, what are you doing in military territory? SpongeBob, this isn't a bird watching place. This is the military base. Oh. Oopsie. Squidward, we need to get out of here. We need to go after him. Oh my God! Oh, Neptune! Now here we go. Oh. Shoot him with the machine gun. Oh. No, we're stuck. We have you surrounded. Surrender. Krabby Patties! Wait, what? 5 seconds later. I did it! Wow, SpongeBob. Wow. You just made some Krabby Patties and like any enemies around you blow up? Yep. Now we can go bird watching. The end.